Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best baking soda is probably one of the most versatile and underappreciated products in your home. From cleaning and deodorizing to baking and even personal care, this humble white powder has a surprising range of uses. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of baking soda, exploring its many applications and helping you understand why it deserves a spot in your pantry and beyond. Number 5. Arm & Hammer Baking Soda, 1 pound, pack of 12. For over 170 years, this has been a go-to solution. It's incredibly versatile and can be used in various ways around your home. This product is perfect for baking, cleaning, and deodorizing. You can even use it in your washing machine. It's free of harsh chemicals, making it gentle enough for many surfaces. You can use it with confidence knowing it's safe. Add 1 cup of this with your liquid laundry detergent to boost cleaning power. It helps to keep your clothes fresh and clean. From baking to freshening, the uses are endless. It's a must-have for every household. What we like. This baking soda is a classic for a reason. It's incredibly versatile, handling everything from baking to cleaning. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, all-around solution for your home, you should consider this one. It's a staple for a reason. What people say. I also use it in my laundry to make all my clothing smell good and to remove any potential odors or scents. I find that the price in buying a case like this can't be beat, especially as I tend to look at the unit pricing. Each box weighs 1 pound, so I'm getting 12 pounds of baking soda, for $1 a pound, or $1 per box. Number 4. Arm & Hammer Baking Soda 2.7 pounds bag. This baking soda is perfect for all your baking needs. It's made with fine particles to help your recipes rise and become fluffier. You'll love the results. This product is made in the USA, specifically in Green River, Wyoming. It's made with locally sourced ingredients and renewable energy. You can trust its quality. It's free of harsh chemicals, gluten-free, and kosher. This product is a pure and natural choice for your baking. It's a brand you can trust. It has hundreds of uses beyond baking, including cleaning, health, beauty, and crafting. It's a versatile solution for your home. You'll find it incredibly useful. The company cares about the planet and creates products you can trust. This baking soda is certified carbon neutral. It's a product you can feel good about using. What we like. This baking soda is made in the USA with a focus on quality and sustainability. It's pure, natural, and perfect for baking, ensuring fluffier results. If you are a passionate baker who values quality ingredients and wants to support American-made products, you should choose this one. What people say. Baking soda is a versatile product. It works great for cleaning. It can be used for various household tasks. Number 3. Relative Foods Baking Soda, gluten-free. This baking soda is mined from the earth and contains nothing added. It's natural and pure, with no additives or preservatives. It's perfect for various uses. This baking soda is unscented and free-flowing. It's ideal for baking, cooking, cleaning, and more. You can use it in many ways. Use it as a natural deodorizer, cleaner, and stain remover. It's also great for skincare. It's a versatile product. It can be used as an ingredient in homemade toothpaste and bath bombs. It's a great choice for your DIY projects. You will love it. This baking soda is certified kosher. It meets the highest standards of quality and purity. You can trust this product. What we like. This baking soda is natural, pure, and free of additives. It's a versatile product, great for cooking, cleaning, and even skincare. If you like a product that is pure and meets the highest standards, you should consider this one. What people say. It works great for cleaning. I use it for cleaning the bathroom and it works great. This is a great product for cleaning and deodorizing. Number 2. Nature's Sodium Bicarbonate Organic Baking Soda. This is a natural, pure, and aluminum-free baking soda powder. It's certified for organic use. It supports normal stomach acid, electrolytes, and immune health. This product has been safely used for decades. It delivers alkalinity and acid-neutralizing action for your body. It helps rejuvenate kidney health and supports normal body functions. Don't settle for less. This baking soda contains no metals, toxins, or harsh chemicals. Take your health to the next level with this product. It supports normal kidney health and overall well-being. Take this product daily to support kidney health and athletic performance. It helps buffer acid, including lactic acid, during exercise. It acts as a stomach shield, allowing you to eat what you want. This baking soda provides numerous benefits with no negatives. It's an alkalizing supplement that can change your life. It can also help you optimize hydration and acts as a time-tested antacid. What we like. This baking soda is specifically designed for health and wellness. It's pure, aluminum-free, and supports various bodily functions. If you have health concerns and are looking for a baking soda that can also support your well-being, you should consider this one. What people say. This is a very fine baking soda. I don't think you can find a better one. Food grade and pure. Works better than expected. Very good for any medical use, addition to your drinks, making your digestion far more better than you can imagine. Number 1. Arm & Hammer Baking Soda, 4 pounds. This is Arm & Hammer Baking Soda. It's a classic for a reason. You can use it for so many things. This product is great at absorbing odors. It helps keep your home smelling fresh. Use it in your fridge, freezer, or anywhere odors linger. This is a 4 pounds box, so you'll have plenty on hand. It's a versatile product that you'll find yourself using all the time. It's a trusted brand that has been around for years. This product is a must-have for every household. This is a great product to have. It's an effective and affordable solution for many needs. What we like. This baking soda is an effective odor absorber. It's from a trusted brand and can be used for various purposes. If you have a need to eliminate odors in your home, you should consider this one. What people say. The product works well. It is a good product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.